Okay, so I got a lot of things done today, which is really nice, and I want to share something with you guys. Look at what I got today. Look at my banner.
What banner?
Isn't that beautiful?
What
It
banner?
is beautiful. I like it. It's very nice. I'm like so excited. It's not very big, but I mean, it's nice. I like it. It's like I can roll it up and carry it around with me and so on. That is the banner that's also going to be at Pavilion Shopping Center when I get there, which is so nice. It's small, but it's cute and it's nice and I like it. Look again. Let's show you again. There you go. I hope you guys got that in. That is really nice. So, like I said, a lot of things got done today. Here's my granddaughter, Lyra. Say hello to the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
I say, there you go. You like the banner? Do you like the banner? It's nice. Okay. Anyway, I'm happy to share that with all of you. Um,
That's
yeah,
oh,
25 days,
for
ne?
me.
All right. Yes, we got that for you. Okay. All right.